Welcome to Module 4. In the previous module, you learned the powerful role framework. Now we're going to take your prompting skills to the next level with advanced techniques that separate good prompt engineers from great ones. These techniques will help you get even better results on more complex tasks. The role framework will already dramatically improve your results. However, when the task becomes more complex, such as analyzing data, making recommendations, writing nuanced content, or handling high-stakes decisions, we need more powerful techniques. That's what this module is about. The first advanced technique is called chain-of-thought prompting, often shortened to COT. The simple instruction, think step by step before answering, forces the AI to show its reasoning instead of jumping straight to a conclusion. This significantly reduces errors and hallucinations on complex tasks. It works because these models are better at reasoning when they break problems down into steps, just like humans. You can use it by simply adding at the end of your prompt, think step by step before giving your final answer. Here's a practical example. Task: a candidate has 7 years of experience, but a 2-year employment gap. Should we move forward in the recruitment process? Without chain of thought, the AI might give a quick yes or no with little explanation. With chain of thought, the AI breaks down the pros, cons, risks, and recommendations step by step. The quality and usefulness of the answer increases significantly. This is especially valuable in HR and any decision-making role. Pause the video. Take a prompt you've used before or create a new one for a real task. Add the chain of thought instruction and compare the two outputs. Notice how the reasoning improves the quality. The second powerful technique is few-shot prompting. Instead of describing what you want, you show the AI 1 to 3 examples of high-quality outputs. This is often more effective than long descriptions. The AI learns the pattern, tone, structure, and quality level directly from your examples. This technique works extremely well for content creation, email writing, report structuring, and many other professional tasks. Here are the best practices for few-shot prompting. Use between 1 and 3 strong examples. Sometimes showing one bad example and explaining why it's bad can be very effective. Make sure your examples are relevant to the current task. Clearly separate the examples from the new request you want the AI to handle. Pause the video again. Create a prompt for a real task you have, for example, writing a follow-up email. Include at least one good example in your prompt. Run it and observe the improvement. Advanced prompt engineers don't stop after the first output. They use structured iteration. After getting an output, they ask the AI to critique its own work using specific criteria, then refine the prompt based on that feedback. You can say things like, critique your previous response using these criteria: accuracy, clarity, completeness, and compliance. Then improve it. This creates a powerful feedback loop inside the same conversation. I strongly recommend you start using an evaluation rubric. Here's a simple but powerful one you can use for almost any output. 1. Accuracy and truthfulness. Is the information correct? 2. Usefulness and actionability. Can I actually use this? 3. Compliance and risk. Does it contain bias, hallucinations, or legal risks? 4. Clarity and professionalism. Is it well written and appropriate? You can ask the AI to score its own output using this rubric and then improve it. This is an extremely effective advanced technique. This is a very powerful practice. Take the output from your previous practice and ask the AI to evaluate it using the 4 criteria on screen. Then ask it to improve the output based on the evaluation. This is how professionals get excellent results. The real power comes when you combine these techniques. You can use the role framework as your base, add chain of thought for complex reasoning, include a few high-quality examples, and then use the evaluation rubric to refine the output. This combination produces results that are dramatically better than basic prompting. Here's what to remember from this module. Use chain of thought when you need better reasoning. Use few-shot examples to demonstrate quality. Use structured iteration and self-critique. Always evaluate outputs using clear criteria. And combine these techniques for the best possible results. You now have both foundational and advanced prompting skills. In the next module, we're going to apply everything you've learned to real professional scenarios with specific examples for HR, marketing, sales, and other roles. You'll see exactly how to use these techniques in your actual work. Let's go apply it.